Hi, I'm Angela and this is
Georgia.
and we're from Full Circle Food Project, and we're going to show you how to blanch and freeze vegetables that you might be able to find on offer in supermarkets this time of year.
The benefits of blanching vegetables. It preserves and prevents food waste, protects the loss of flavour and colour, and easy to lift out of the freezer straight to cooking, saving lots of time. Now we're going to show you how you do this. We're going to start with some carrots. So cut your carrots evenly into more or less the same size pieces. So when preparing the cabbage, take out the main root at the bottom, discard that, and then you're just going to turn it over and shred the cabbage like that. Okay. So root vegetables such as the carrot and the parsnip will take longer to cook. The softer vegetables like cabbage and kale and spinach won't take so long.
So for the sprouts, you just need to remove any sort of damaged or dark leaves with any holes in, and then just trim the rooty bit. And then what you need to do is have a pan of boiling water, and the quickest way to do this is to boil a kettle, pour it into the saucepan you're going to use, and then put it back onto the cooker, bring it to the boil again, and then add your vegetables to the pan. So the water's boiling, and because you've boiled the kettle, it's saved a lot of energy rather than waiting for the water to boil on the hob. And we just add in carefully vegetables, so in this case it's sprouts, and just let them boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. So when you've boiled your vegetables for 3 to 5 minutes, you just drain them into a sink, run cold water over for a couple of seconds, just to stop the cooking, just keeps the colour. And then we'll just tip them into a bowl, add some more cold water, and they can then sit in that cold water until we're ready to drain them and bag them up and freeze them. So when your veg are drained and more or less sort of dried off, you can get your storage bag that's going to go into the freezer, and the best thing to do is write the day's date on. So today's the 16th. When you put the stuff in the freezer, and you can work out how long you can keep it for. So we're going to put in sprouts, and I'll just grab the sprouts I've drained off, pop them into the bag, get the air out, zip up, and that's now ready to go in your freezer.
Just a quick tip, the majority of vegetables, whether they're root vegetables or not, and fruits, can be frozen.